Ductility is a crucial property in the manufacturing industry, especially in the production of metals and alloys. It refers to the ability of a material to deform under tensile stress without breaking or cracking. Ductility is a measure of a material's ability to withstand deformation without losing its structural integrity. It is an essential property in the manufacturing of products that require bending, stretching, or shaping, such as wires, pipes, and sheet metals. Manufacturers use various methods to measure ductility, including tensile testing, bending tests, and impact tests. Tensile testing involves applying a controlled force to a material until it breaks, while bending tests measure the material's ability to bend without breaking. Impact tests measure the material's ability to absorb energy without fracturing. Ductility is a critical property in the manufacturing industry because it determines the quality and durability of the final product. Materials with high ductility are more resistant to cracking and breaking, making them ideal for products that require flexibility and durability. For example, ductile metals are commonly used in the construction of bridges, buildings, and other structures that require high strength and flexibility. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal products. The company has over 70 years of experience in the industry and has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products that meet the unique needs of its clients. Ductility is a crucial property in the manufacturing of metal products, and Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to ensure that its products meet the highest standards of quality and durability. If you are interested in learning more about ductility and how it relates to the manufacturing industry, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. Whether you need custom metal products for your business or are looking for advice on the best materials to use for your project, Berkness Company is here to help. FAQs. 1. What is ductility in manufacturing? Ductility is the ability of a material to deform under tensile stress without breaking or cracking. In manufacturing, ductility is an important property of metals and alloys, as it allows them to be shaped and formed into various products and components. 2. How is ductility measured in manufacturing? Ductility is typically measured using a tensile test, where a sample of the material is pulled apart until it breaks. The amount of deformation that occurs before the material breaks is a measure of its ductility. The most common measure of ductility is the percentage elongation, which is the increase in length of the sample before it breaks, expressed as a percentage of its original length. 3. Why is ductility important in manufacturing? Ductility is important in manufacturing because it allows materials to be formed into complex shapes and structures without breaking or cracking. This makes it possible to create a wide range of products and components, from simple wires and cables to complex machinery and equipment. Ductility also makes materials more resistant to fatigue and failure, as it allows them to absorb and distribute stress more evenly. For more information, contact Berkness